UniSA Legal Advice Clinic, Nikita speaking.
Hi, just calling because I need some legal representation in pursuing a refund from a retail company.
Okay, have you been into the clinic before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so before I make an appointment for you, I'm just going to need to let you know how the clinic works. So the clinic is a free and confidential service that's staffed by law students who work under the supervision of a qualified lawyer. We can give advice about a range of different legal matters. Now, before I make your appointment, I'm just going to need to ask you some basic questions about your matter to see if we're able to help you. So just very briefly, what does your matter involve?
Well, it's a long story. It actually involves a company that's owned by a former friend of mine. Basically, I went to purchase a wedding dress. I tried it on, it was beautiful, but there were some custom changes that needed to be made. And they said they could put a bustle on, and the dress basically went away for the changes to be made. I came in on the agreed upon date and it wasn't ready, so they told me to come back a week later. When I came back, the finger loop was there instead of the bustle that I had asked for, and when I put on the dress, it was see-through in places that it hadn't been see-through before, the first time I tried it on. And basically I left the dress there, I never took it, I asked for a refund, and I went to buy another dress and they said that because it was custom, they couldn't give me a refund.
I'm just going to stop you there for a second. I will definitely come back to that. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to grab your full name and contact number if that's okay.
Yeah, no problem. Should I tell you about the other person as well?
I will grab that from you in just a moment, but I'll start out with your surname.
Right, so it's Sullivan, Molly Sullivan.
S-U-L-L-I-V-A-N, is that correct? M-O-L-L-Y. Okay, Molly. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab your contact number if that's okay.
Yeah, no problem. 0412 006 187.
187. Okay, now could you please give me the full name of the other person involved in this dispute?
Deborah Messing.
Okay, D-E-B-O-R-A-H, is that correct? Yep, and her surname, Messing, could you spell that for me, please?
M-E-S-S-I-N-G.
Okay, lovely. Alright, now, do you have her address at all?
33 Peach Lane Drive, Leachyville.
C-H-E-E-V-I-L-L-E, Leachyville, and what was the postcode for that one? 5061. Okay, Molly, thank you very much for that. Alright, now I'm just going to have to pop you on hold very briefly, Molly, just while I run a conflict check. Is that okay?
What does that mean?
Okay, so I won't go into much detail, but it's just to ensure that we will be able to continue with your matter. I'll quickly go off and do that, and then I'll come straight back and let you know if we can continue.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you so much, Molly. Hi, Molly, are you there? Okay, so, alright, so that's fine. What we can do is we can continue on. So I'm just going to clarify with you, your matter involves an issue surrounding a wedding dress, there was a time issue, and there was also the issue surrounding the dress did not arrive as you had requested it.
That's correct. There was also some damage to the end of the dress.
Okay, so basically you've just got this issue with Deborah Messing. The dress was late, it didn't arrive as it was described to you. You haven't gotten a refund for it, and it was also damaged. Does that sound right? So, now have you been into court with this matter at all?
No, we've just been back and forth between ourselves. Our husbands actually know each other, so they've sort of gotten involved, and now they're sort of communicating on our behalves through each other.
Okay, so husbands have been communicating. Thank you very much for that information. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop you on hold once more if that's okay, just for a couple of minutes while I speak with my supervisor about our next available appointment time. Thank you. Hey Matt.
Thank you.
Just had a phone call from a woman named Molly, wants to book in for an interview, so what do we have available?
Alright, let's have a look. The next available time is on January the 20th.
Yep.
And it's either 9:30, 10:30, or 2:30 p.m.
Hi Molly, are you there? We actually can have you in for an appointment on the 20th of January, if that day works for you.
What times do you have available?
We can see you at either 9:30 a.m. or 2:30 in the afternoon.
Could we do 2:30 p.m.?
2:30 p.m, that's fine, I'll book that in for you. Okay, so just to confirm, we will see you on Thursday the 20th of January at 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm just going to ask that you bring along any documents that relate to your issue, Molly, so it could be anything that you think is relevant, just bring that in.
Now I've got some photographs of the dress. Should I bring those in as well?
Yes, photographs, receipt, anything that relates to this matter at all, just bring it in with you for your appointment. If you don't have any other questions, Molly, then that's just about everything. We've got you booked in for that time. Looks like we'll be seeing you then.
Just a quick question. It's at the law building, the UniSA Law building, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. So do you know where that is? Have you ever been before?
I've been to the library, so I think it's just in the Heritage building opposite, is that right?
That's exactly right. So if you want to just come in the front to reception, let them know that you're here for an appointment, and that one of us will come down and collect you and begin the interview.
Brilliant, thank you so much.
No problems. And you've got a number that you can reach us on?
Yes, I've got it right here with me.
Lovely. All right, Molly, thanks so much for calling, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the 20th. Bye-bye. Hey again.
Hi.
Okay, so Thursday the 20th is fine, and she's going to do 2:30 p.m.
The 20th, 2:30.
Yep.
And what's her name again? What's her surname? S-U-L-L.
Oh, I-V-A-N.
I-V-A-N. And Molly, wasn't it?
Yep, Molly. Just normal
So
spelling.
M-O-L-L-Y.
That's the one.
Alrighty. Now don't forget to put that time in the diary as well.
Yep, definitely. I'll go do that now.
Excellent.